Remove outlet from light switch that controls recessed lighting. I've been searching DIY but haven't found a clear how-to for my exact situation. I've got a light switch that controls both the recessed lighting in a room as well as an entire outlet below it. I'd like the outlet to be permanently hot without impacting the lighting. Notes: the outlet has not had the brass connector removed. When tested with an outlet checker, both outlets are correct. The circuit is turned off. Switch. Switch box. Outlet. Outlet box. Question from user outlet help at Stack Exchange. Answer: on the switch, the single black on the bottom should always be hot. The red and black together should be switched hots. Seeing a red hot on the receptacle, that should be from the switch. Remove the red and either put it on the bottom screw or connect it to the hot black bundle with the red wire nut. Adding it to the hot bundle will allow you to change the remaining backstabs to the screws. Answer from user Crip659 at Stack Exchange.